Hey, what's up everybody? Eric Isham, founder and CEO at OMNICOMMANDER. Today I'm talking about shooting video. So a lot of people don't ever do video because they think they have to hire a video crew or there's a lot of expense or time, whatever. And that's simply not true. With today's camera phones, the cameras that are on the phones, you can shoot amazing video like we're doing right now. So I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro, which has 4K 60 frames per second, so it's jamming, but an iPhone 10, an 8, any late model phones probably got a pretty decent camera on it, enough for you to at least get your message out in a video. So there's 4 steps to shooting video on your phone, and the first one is very, very simple, and that's holding it the right way, which is horizontal. You don't want to shoot up and down, so we don't want to shoot like this, we want to shoot like this. The reason being is on a lot of different platforms you're going to put your video, you get those weird black lines if you shoot up and down, so you want to make sure you keep it horizontal. The second step in shooting from your phone is making sure you've got good lighting. So I always test the lighting, I move around, I take shots in different areas of our room or if I'm at a conference, because just a foot to the left or a foot forward can make a big difference in the way that you show up on the camera. The third step is distance. This is a big one. A lot of people get this wrong. So if you've got a friend shooting video and you hand them your phone, a lot of people instinctively do this. They'll get 10 feet away from you and all of a sudden you're kind of small in the image. The other thing you want to do is you don't want to get too close, right? Because it's just weird. So you want to keep a good distance. I'm about 3.5 feet away from the camera, and this feels natural and normal to me when I watch the video. The last thing, and this probably is the most important thing, is you got to pick a topic and it needs to be something you're knowledgeable about, or even better yet, passionate about. So I spend a lot of time talking about websites, talking about marketing, talking about culture, because I'm passionate about those topics, and your audience can feel that while they're watching the video, and hopefully they'll respond to you, or they'll shoot you a message, or they'll like, or they'll comment, or whatever the desired effect of that video is. If you want some more tips and tricks on shooting from your video or learning more about what we're doing here at OMNICOMMANDER, check us out at omnicommander.com or go to our YouTube channel where we're always pushing new how-to videos. Thanks.